Hello, my friends, and welcome to another episode of AI with Mark B. In this episode, we are going to tie together all of the previous episodes. So, crafting a prompt, meta prompting, adding a markdown file from your prompt library, model selection, and image generation to create a professional LinkedIn profile picture from a selfie. Let's go. Okay, so let's start off in Gemini. And what I'm going to do firstly is start with my craft prompt. So I'm applying for a new job. I need a LinkedIn picture. You're the expert prompt designer. My task is to create a prompt I can use for image generation to transform myself into professional looking LinkedIn business profile picture. The assets I'm going to provide are my selfie after the first prompt. Make sure you ask me if I don't include it. And the format should be, the output should be a professional LinkedIn profile picture of me in the right dimensions. So CRAFT, craft. The next part we're going to do is we're going to upload our meta prompt, which we've stored in our prompt library. So I'm going to go in and upload files, find my prompt library. There's my deadline extension prompt. And there is my meta prompt. So remember, this is the prompt engineering prompt that helps us create a new prompt using the craft framework. Okay, so we'll start with that. While that's ticking away, we will need to get a selfie. But here we go, we've got our markdown file. Here's our new prompt for creating the image. So I'm going to copy that prompt. We can also save it and add it to our prompt library if we like the output from it. Let's go over, start a new chat, paste the prompt in, and then we're going to need our to remember to turn on the image generation. So I click create image. In terms of model selection, I want to get some good output here. So I'm going to change this to Pro, and maybe I even extend the thinking. And the final thing I need to do is go and get the image. So I've gone to Getty Images and found this selfie. You can actually just copy the image. You don't necessarily have to save it. Gemini does work with copy paste. So come down here, I paste, it should add it in. And then away we go. Now this is going to take about 2 minutes. So rather than waiting for that, here's one I created earlier. And there we go. So I've got the prompt up there, uploaded the photo, and voila, we have a professional looking LinkedIn profile picture from the image generation of the selfie. Now, you'll see here that it has a little watermark here. This is the Gemini watermark. So when I download this file, the last thing I'll do is Google Gemini watermark remover, and you can have a look through these sites to see about how you take off that Gemini thing. Or if you don't mind, you can just add it in, but it is a tell that it is an AI generated image. Okay, so that's it. We've used the craft prompt, the meta prompt, the markdown file, the model selection, and the image generation to create a professional looking LinkedIn profile pic. See you next time.